Hi guys, hello, this is Diesel, and I'm going to give you a reaction at Sandbox with a Nintendo Switch. Oh guys, alright, I covered the whole screen black. Now to use the different. Okay, okay, that looks nice. Now let's try third. And then and the last one. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Start skipping so fast. Super fast. Alright. Let's do it fast, Okay. It's time for the fourth one. Okay, it's done. And this is how you make your Nintendo Switch on Sandbox. Thank you for watching. Come back with us next time for your favorite Sandbox games. We'll see you later.